Mae fel bore Nadolig yn y wei cefnogwyr pêl-droed, diwrnod cyntaf tymor, mae'n gret. Ni gyd yn edrych mlaen amdano fe, antur hollol newydd, tîm newydd, reolwr newydd. Yr un hen gefnogwyr wy'n gweld yn troi lan sy'n dda iawn i weld bod nhw'n stico gyda ni, a ni'n edrych ymlaen.
We won the league a few years ago. A few of those players are back playing for us now. So I think it's exciting times for us. Hopefully this year to try and finish in the top 6.
Logic would tell you that the standard will be somewhere around where the Cymru North is. Looking at some of the teams, I think probably the top 5 or 6, maybe a little bit stronger than up in the north. New challenge for our players, new challenge for the staff, new challenge for the club. So looking forward to getting going. We didn't have confirmation of what league we're going to be in until the second week of June, and pre-season was starting the following week. So obviously when you're recruiting players, the first question they ask you is which league you're going to be in. We couldn't answer them, so that was the first challenge, getting them in. We feel like we've got a good group. They're a young group, young hungry group. We're in a good place at the moment, but we'll find out today.
Oedd e yn mynd i fod yn challenge i pwy bynnag oedd yn rheoli, ond a ddweud y gwir mae Callum wedi wneud yn wych. Oedd e wedi seino bron a bod 16 chwaraewr mewn wythnos a hanner. So person yn gwybod pwy oedd e moyn, siwt i gael nhw mewn i'r clwb, a na exactly beth oedd angen arno ni lle oedden ni, a dweud y gwir.
I mean, listen, ultimately, we want to stay in the league, so everyone's the same. It's a bit of a free hit this year, with 3 going up and sort of 1 only going down. So, yeah, we're just taking it game by game, horses for courses, and yeah, we'll see how we get on. We're quietly confident we'll go about our business. We know what we've got, and we'll see how we get on. The table won't lie come the end of the season.
Looking at some of the clubs and some of the signings, players that have played in the Cymru Prem, should be playing in the Cymru Prem maybe, on team sheets, and it's going to be a really tough challenge.
Just nice to gael y pêl-droed nôl, profiadau newydd. So mae'n hollol unknown i ni, so fi ddim wedi weld chwaraewyr o'r blaen, a fi ddim yn gwybod sut maen nhw'n mynd i clicio i gilydd achos ni wedi colli llawer o bobl. So nawr i weld, ond just gobeithio tymor dda a tymor hwyl, gweld llefoedd newydd. Should be alright.
First half we weren't good enough. We said at half time that probably be a different game in the second half, and that's the way it turned out for the first 20 minutes. Obviously the sending off has really put us under pressure, but in fairness to the lads, they rolled the sleeves up, they dug in.
From where I was, I would say, being a bit biased, I thought it was a penalty, but I was about 100 yards away, so it was a difficult one. But sometimes they're given, sometimes they're not.
Really pleased for the players, the staff, the supporters. So it's really pleasing to get 3 points.
Come on, yeah! So I thought, good first half from us. We had a fair few chances. Didn't take them. Disappointing. First game of the season. We nice got some points on the board. Obviously against the good side coming down from the Welsh Prem, so always going to be a difficult challenge.
Mae rhaid I pob clwb eleni edrych I mynd I fyny. Mae cyfle 3 mynd lan am yr unig dro falle erioed, so mae rhaid gobeithio benni yn y 3 cyntaf na beth yw'r targed I ni yn amlwg.